Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're making stir fry today. So I boiled my potatoes with some salt, covered this and leave this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's cooked through. I checked with a fork. I'll go ahead and fry the vegetables. I added oil to a pan and scrambled some eggs. I seasoned with salt and pepper before frying. Took this out and then I added some oil and fried my frankfuters. These are chicken frankfuters and they have cheese in them, but you can use the plain one if you like. Then I added some onions and let that fry. After that, I seasoned with some salt, seasoning cubes. I added some paprika and also some rosemary. I mixed this thoroughly and let the onions fry. Once it's fried, I then went ahead to add my carrots. I fried this for about 1 to 2 minutes and added my bell pepper and jalapeno chili pepper, and then I also left this to fry for about 1 more minute, and then I went ahead to add my cabbage. I used purple cabbage because I like the color and the flavor. Then I added my already scrambled eggs, mixed this together and added my boiled potatoes and stir fried this for another 1 to 2 minutes, just until everything is fried and mixed thoroughly. Then I served this, and that's it guys. You have your easy potato stir fry. Please like, comment